Well, Misty hasn't got the greatest feet in the world. Last abscess she had was in the back foot on the same side. This time it's the front foot. Last time it was a trip to the veterinary surgeon, but this time it burst, and today all we did was clean it out and Pauline wrapped it up. So hopefully, well, when I say wrapped it up, she wrapped it up with a poultice, so hopefully that'll draw out the rest of it and she'll come good again. Guess that's what happens when you let there be a little bit too much flaring.
Right, Liz, give us a look in here. Just look back here. You can see that's quite a decent bloody hole there. Very decent. So I'll put this back so you can watch. Right, Pauline putting poultice on Misty's foot with big abscess in the toe like last time, except on another foot this time. And what's going on here? We've got everybody standing around watching, making sure she's doing the right thing, apart from whoever that is over there looking over the fence. Oh, she can hear Dutchy. I'll bet. Is that right, Tess? Wow. How's that?
That'll hold.
Yeah.
Because it's
That's all, folks.